Today we'll be showing you how to separate hydrogen from water using electrolysis. Electrolysis is a method used to drive a chemical reaction, separating molecules or compounds into their components. At Astra, we use a green process of electrolysis to extract hydrogen from water. In this experiment, we won't be using the exact same process we use, but it's a fun and easy way to learn how electrolysis works, so feel free to follow along. Alright, let's get started. All you need is 2 number 2 pencils sharpened on each side, a piece of cardboard, a glass of warm water, salt, 2 alligator clip leads or insulated wire, and a 9-volt battery. First, you start off by dissolving 1 teaspoon of salt into the warm water and stir for 30 seconds. We add salt to the water to form an electrolyte solution, which helps the current of electricity flow when voltage is applied. The salt breaks down water molecules into ions, hydroxide or OH-, which is negative, and hydrogen or H+, which is a positive ion. Next, we're going to make 2 holes in the cardboard about 1 inch apart for the pencils. You want to stick the pencils into the cardboard far enough that they're going to be in the water but not touching the bottom of the glass. Like this. At Astra, we use solar energy to power our electrolyzers, making our process of hydrogen extraction 100% carbon-free. However, in this experiment, to simplify things, we'll be using a 9-volt battery as our energy source. We're going to connect the red wire to the positive end of the battery. This becomes the anode. The other side will go to the top of the pencil. We'll then connect the black wire to the negative end of the battery and the other side to the top of the pencil, and this is the cathode. Once voltage is applied, you'll see the ions move towards the opposite charged electrodes. You should see a lot of bubbles rising from the cathode or the black wire. These are hydrogen gas bubbles. You may notice that the cathode has a lot more bubbles rising than the anode. Well, think about the chemical formula of water, H2O. For every 1 oxygen, there are 2 hydrogen atoms, which is why there's twice as many hydrogen bubbles produced in this experiment. At Astra, once the hydrogen is separated from water, we capture the hydrogen gas and it undergoes a process to be used in our fueling stations. These fueling stations then fuel hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, and just like that, you have a green transportation solution.